Welcome to today's presentation on the Collision Sentry Multi-Zone, the next generation of collision warning systems from Sentry Protection Products. Warehouses are dangerous places to work. Each year, statistics show a staggering number of accidents and injuries, with many occurring in areas where visibility is reduced or restricted. These blind spots are prime for accidents, especially in situations where pedestrian and forklift traffic cross paths. Like its predecessor, the Collision Sentry Corner Pro, the Collision Sentry Multi-Zone prevents collisions in these blind spot areas. The Corner Pro is designed to operate from a 90-degree corner intersection, but not all critical zones are at 90-degree corners. The difference with the Multi-Zone is that it expands collision protection beyond corner intersections into multiple areas. You define the conflict zones. The Multi-Zone features two individual units that communicate with each other wirelessly. Mount the units in any two critical zones. If both see motion, creating conditions for a potential accident, both flash a synchronized audio and visual warning. Depending on the layout of the facility, the distance separating the two units can be up to 100 feet. Critical zones can be on each side of a passageway between buildings or inside and outside of a dock door or exterior door. Collision protection anywhere you need it. The field of vision for the multi-zone is adjustable depending on the application and ranges from 50 to 134 degrees. Depending on the substrate, units can be mounted magnetically or mechanically. Optimal installation height is 7 to 9 feet. The multi-zone is battery-powered, requiring no additional wiring or electricity, making it portable and easily relocated. Each unit operates on 6 standard D-cell batteries. A low battery light indicates when it's time to replace the batteries. Replacement is easy. Open the door on the front of the unit. Remove the old batteries. Insert the new batteries. And close the door. It's that simple. Self-powered, easily installed, highly visible, factory preset, and reliable. The Collision Sentry Multi-Zone. Collision protection where you need it. Thanks for joining us today. For additional product details, photos, or videos of the Collision Sentry Multi-Zone, visit our website at www.sentrypro.com.